Have you ever wondered where the financial technology company Paysafe calls home? There's a common misconception that Paysafe is a Chinese company. Let's dive into the truth and explore the global landscape of financial services. Paysafe is a leading global provider of payment and e-money solutions. It offers a wide range of services, including e-wallets, online payments, prepaid cards, and merchant acquiring. With a global footprint, Paysafe serves millions of customers and businesses worldwide. The misconception that Paysafe is a Chinese company likely stems from its extensive operations in Asia. The company has a strong presence in various Asian markets, including China, where it has partnered with local financial institutions to offer its payment solutions. However, despite its Asian connections, Paysafe is not a Chinese company. Paysafe's origins: Paysafe traces its roots back to Europe. The company was formed through a series of mergers and acquisitions involving European payment businesses. Its headquarters are located in Austria, and it has significant operations in other European countries as well. Global expansion: while Paysafe's origins are European, its global ambitions have led it to expand into various regions, including North America and Asia. The company has established a strong presence in these markets, forming partnerships and acquiring local businesses to cater to the specific needs of customers in different regions. Why the misconception matters: understanding the true origins of Paysafe is important for several reasons. First, it helps to dispel inaccurate information and prevent misunderstandings. Second, it highlights the global nature of the financial technology industry and the interconnectedness of payment solutions. Third, it emphasizes the importance of conducting thorough research before making assumptions about a company's background. Key points to remember: Paysafe is not a Chinese company. Its origins can be traced back to Europe. Paysafe has a global presence, with operations in various regions. Understanding the true origins of Paysafe helps to dispel misconceptions and promote accurate information. So, to answer the question, is Paysafe a Chinese company? The answer is no. Paysafe is a global financial technology company with European roots. Its operations extend to various regions, including Asia, but it is not a Chinese entity. By understanding the true origins and global nature of Paysafe, we can gain a better appreciation for the company's role in the financial services industry. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial technology content. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.